Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Callie and this is my YouTube channel dedicated to all things nails and good vibes. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing 3 less toxic dupes for some more popular polishes or more well-known polishes. Today's video is actually a collab with Desiree from the channel Simply Charm Living here on YouTube. She has a ton of really great lifestyle content and really fun videos. She has a really nice nail polish Instagram, so make sure you go check out all of her links. I will have those in the description box down below, so check out her video as well. We each chose 3 polishes to find dupes for, since we both really like to stick with more or less toxic nail polish brands. And if you have been on my channel before, you'd know that I've been on my own journey to less toxic nail polish for the past several months. So this was something that I was really excited to do and I really liked the idea. So I have picked a couple polishes from, actually 2 of them are from OPI and 1 of them is from Zoya. So I will explain kind of the ingredient breakdown a little bit with each polish. I'll show you what they look like in comparison to each other. I did not end up swatching the polishes that I was finding dupes for because they were ones that I was going to be decluttering, so I didn't want to put them on my nails anymore, but I am showing you swatches for the dupe polishes. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new here from Desiree's channel, then I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. I'm doing my best with videos this month. I am in the process of moving, so my schedule is a little bit all over the place, but I am excited to share today's video with you. So here are the 3 polishes that I will be showing you dupes for. The first one is going to be OPI Bubble Bath, the next one will be OPI Strawberry Margarita, and the third one will be Zoya Merida. And I know you might be wondering why Zoya is in this video, but I will explain why in the ingredient breakdown as soon as we get to that polish. So without any further ado, let's get right on to OPI Bubble Bath. So as you can see, like I said, we are starting with a dupe for the very classic OPI Bubble Bath polish. If you've never used this polish before, it is just a really classic kind of sheer nude neutral color, natural nail color, and this one is really nice for French manicures. This is actually a brand new bottle that I got, I think probably in January or early February, kind of before I ended up doing all of my research and doing a massive overhaul with my polishes, so I actually have decluttered this polish by the time you're seeing this video. But I did find a really nice dupe for this one. It is so pretty. It's from the brand Nailtural, and as of when I'm recording this voiceover, I can't remember the name of it, but you will see it on screen and I will have the correct one for you. And this is such a pretty dupe. I bought this one thinking it was a cream polish, just like a plain polish, but then I put it on my nails and it was this really nice sheer nude neutral color. It has this really pretty, nice, healthy looking kind of pink tone, and I decided to do 2 coats here just to show you how it builds up, but this just looks so pretty and elegant on your nails. This would look beautiful on a variety of skin tones, and it is a really nice dupe for Bubble Bath. It is a little bit more pink versus kind of like a more neutral tone, so I really like this one and the formula was really good. Next we have the polish Strawberry Margarita from OPI, and this one actually I think I've had for quite a long time, and it is really pretty and it's a really nice kind of bright, obviously strawberry pink, really perfect for summer, and the color is just so nice, and the formula is pretty good. I haven't used this one in a really long time, but I did want to find one that had better ingredients because I am not a huge fan of OPI nail polish ingredients, so I did find one. My dupe for this one is XOXO from the brand Olive and June. This one on camera is looking a little bit darker than it is in person, but this one is a very similar kind of hot bright pink color to Strawberry Margarita. It is almost a little bit more of a jelly-like formula, but it does apply very nicely in 2 coats, really glossy and pretty. Once again, this would look beautiful on a variety of skin tones. It's really great for nail art, so if that is a classic favorite of yours, then this would be a really nice one to replace it with. And I just really love the color of this one. I think it's really fun for summer and pretty much all seasons. I would think this would be good for lots of nail art. Really pretty. Finally, we have Merida from the brand Zoya, and this is a really pretty kind of forest evergreen scattered hollow polish. They do have quite a few different polishes in this same formula, the same kind of shimmer and everything, but just in different colors. So this one, I actually realized that I had a really nice China glaze to dupe this one with, and China glaze formulas I like because most of the time they're a lot simpler than other brands, so I decided to find a dupe for this one with Free to Be Sesame, and this is from the China glaze. I forget forget which collection it was. I think it was the first Sesame Street collection that they did. It was really cute. They had such fun colors. So this one is a little bit lighter and brighter than Merida. Merida, like I said, is definitely more of a foresty evergreen kind of color. This one is definitely a lot more bright and really pretty for summer too. So if you are looking for some summer nail polish, this would be a great option. But this would be great for all seasons. I love using this one for Christmas nail art too, and you could probably do some spring nail art with this, but the formula is really nice. You may need 3 coats if your nails are super long, but it applied really nicely and it's super sparkly. So that is our last polish for today. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I had a great time sharing these dupes with you and doing some research on some new, less toxic polishes to have some replacements for other favorites. So let me know in the comments which of these was your favorite, or if you have another favorite less toxic dupe that I didn't mention today. Like I said, make sure you go check out Desiree's video as well. The links will be in the description box down below. I'm really excited to see what polishes she found dupes for, and I just really enjoyed this video. I've been wanting to do something like this for a long time, so I'm glad that Desiree suggested it. And let me know in the comments too if you would like to see more videos like this where I find dupes for more classic polishes, or really, I guess, like famous polishes that people know a lot from different nail polish brands. I don't know, let me know what you'd like to see. I'd like to continue this series. So as always, like I said, if you're new here from Desiree's channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll stick around. And also don't forget to subscribe to the very important Polish Person email club newsletter, which unfortunately is on hiatus for this month because, like I said, I have a crazy schedule right now, but I am still working on the blog band, which those are just notifications for blog posts when they go live, because I have been posting a lot over on my blog on 360nails.com, so you will still get those notifications with the email club as well. And I'm hoping to bring the newsletter back in July, so we'll see what happens. But thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you again very soon with another video. Same nail time, same nail channel. Have a polished rest of your day. Bye! Start to change.